Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making Mongolian beef. You guys, this recipe has a special place in my belly because it is so good, and I wish everybody could watch this video and go make it. Like, please go make it for me. It is really good. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have my bowl full of flank steak that I cut into very thin pieces, and I'm going to show you how I cut up my flank steak. So this is my whole flank steak. I'm using about 1.5 pounds. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. When you're cutting your steak, make sure you cut it against the grain. If you cut it along the grain, it's going to dry out when you cook it, so keep that in mind. Also, you want to make sure you slice your steak as thinly as possible. The thinner, the better. Okay, guys? So now that we know how to slice up the steak, we're going to season with some salt and pepper. To give the steak some extra flavor, I'm adding Italian seasoning. Next, I'm adding some cornstarch, then I'm going to toss everything together. Make sure you mix everything very well. You don't want your seasoning to sit on one side. You want the flavor to get everywhere. Alright, once we have everything very well mixed in, we're going to set the meat aside. Then we're going to mix together the sauce that makes this recipe, okay? In my bowl, I have some Hoisin sauce. Into that, I'm adding soy sauce, some beef broth, and brown sugar. Go ahead and mix your sauce together very well. Then you're going to set it aside for later. Next, you're going to grab your flank steak, then we're going to sear them, okay guys? So go ahead and grab a pan and place it over medium-high heat. Then you're going to pour some vegetable oil in here. I'm using canola oil. You're going to let the oil get very hot and smoky. Then you're going to add your flank steak. And since we're cooking the steak on medium-high heat, you want to keep an eye. We don't want anything to burn. We're going to sear the steak for 3 minutes on each side. It might take longer, so just look for a nice golden brown color, just like this. Also, make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. If you overcrowd your pan, the steak is going to cook rather than sear, and you want to get that sear because that's going to add really good flavor. I had to do this in 3 batches. This is the only tedious part of this recipe. Afterwards, everything else is very easy. So once you have all your steak nice and fried, you're going to set them aside for later. Then you're going to reduce your heat to medium. Add more oil to the pan if needed. I did not need any. I am going to toss in some minced onions. Then I'm going to cook the onions until they get caramelized. This took roughly 5 minutes. Caramelizing the onions add really good flavor. Next, I am adding some minced garlic, some ginger, and red pepper flakes. You're going to cook this for about 30 seconds until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Then you're going to toss in your seared meat. We're also going to add some green onions, then toss everything together and cook for an extra 30 seconds. Alright, once everything has cooked together, we're going to add the sauce that we made earlier. Go ahead and toss everything together and let this cook for about 1 minute. And that's it, you guys. We are done. This is all you need for the lockdown, okay? Very easy and simple. Just make yourself some Mongolian beef. This pairs so well with rice, so you want to make sure you have your rice already cooked. You guys, I can't even begin to explain how good this is. I just can't. You have to make it for yourself. It is so good. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check out the description box. I have everything there. Go make it like right now, okay?